Hi everybody, teacher Everson here once again with you, and today we're going to talk about prepositions of place. Are you good in location? Well, nowadays with a GPS everybody's very good. You can locate yourself, you can see where you're going. But today we're going to study a little map and we're going to study some prepositions of place. Come with me. So here are the prepositions that we're going to study today. Repeat. Between, next to, in front of, on the corner of, near, opposite. Okay, understood? More or less? Let's check some examples one by one. Oops, here we are. Let me zoom in a little bit. Right, very good. Excellent. So here we have a hotel. Where is the hotel? The hotel is across from the movie theater, across to each other. Look. Where is the grocery store? The grocery store is on the corner of First Avenue and King Street. On the corner of, na esquina. Where is the movie theater? The movie theater is between Palm Street and King Street. Between. And where is the bank? The bank. The bank is near the movie theater. Near, próximo. And where is the bank compared to the grocery store? The bank is next to the grocery store. Right? So these are some prepositions that we're studying now. Just to remember, oops, ufa, yes, here we are again. Just to remember, between, next to, in front of, on the corner of, near, and opposite. Okay? Do you understand? Very good. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.